Production.
Yo, what is poppin'? I hate that I can't be posting, on a daily basis here with these videos, but that's gonna change up. So the first month was a little bit slow, only once a week in 2023. But I'm moving to a newer apartment and they got the Ethernet cable all hooked up and shit. So I'm looking forward to be posting pretty much on a daily basis. So if you're into the crypto stocks and you're into the cryptocurrencies, the technical analysis, the market psychology, be looking forward to a bunch more of these videos throughout this year. I'm trying to hit 500 videos this year. So we're at like 355 right now. So there's plenty more to come. We're looking here at Avax, okay? Avalanche. This is a cryptocurrency. Now, I don't know too much about Avalanche. All I'm going to break down in this video is my bullish outlook on the technical analysis. So if you do know anything about Avalanche fundamentally, please leave a comment, help educate other people watching this video, because I think we could build a nice, cool community where we're all sharing these different inputs and ideas, and we could help, get financial freedom, because a lot of these coins are going to be worth a lot more. And I can tell, looking at the technical patterns here and kind of getting like a good gist of market sentiment right now, that things are about to heat up in the next couple years. And this is the early rumblings, is the vibes I'm getting. So we're going to start off with this. Avalanche has been down up to 90% from its very highs, right? So 93% down from the very highs. This thing was bumping at like around 148 per coin. And now it's chilling over here at $20.65. So let's get into the technicals here. Right now I'm on the weekly time frame, and something that I really like about the weekly time frame is that it takes such a long time for these plays to develop, which means that not only is there more eyes on it over a weekly time frame, but because of that amount of time, there's more money involved, right? Where if you're looking at like a 15-minute chart, it's drastically less compared to the accumulation of a 1 week chart. So what we're looking at here is a falling wedge pattern. Now it's nice and clean. We got the breakout. We have a few touches here, 1, 2, 3 of this upper trend line. This lower trend line here has been holding us back for a while and acting as support. Now you could readjust this however you want to make it fit your bias. It doesn't really matter. But essentially that's what we're looking at here. We're looking at this falling wedge. And what I like about the falling wedge, especially in a situation like this, is it's creating an accumulation zone here. Now why I say that is because we've been in a bear market since November 2021, right? We collapsed downward, a massive drop in price. So this 85% drop in price creates this low, and then we slowly get tighter and tighter in this pattern. And as you could see, the volume starts to drop off, right? As the volume's dropping off, you start to see small ramps in the bullish trends here. And now a massive increase in bull volume, and we're breaking out of this pattern. So I like to look at this right here, right? It's telling us right now that there's big money coming in and accumulating in this range. The way I think of it is that this box right here, right, say this area, is definitely low-key undervalued. That's how I'm looking at it. I did read something along the lines of Avalanche having partnerships with Amazon. Could that be a catalyst that has caused this bullish volume over the few weeks, right? Could Bitcoin's ramp in price over the past few weeks also be a catalyst for a bunch of these other cryptocurrencies? Of course they could be. But essentially what I'm looking at here is there's an accumulation zone going right now. Is this thing supposed to be worth more? We'll eventually see in the future. I think it's worth taking a shot at though. So what I'm looking at is right now we're sitting at this $20 resistance. So right here, We have 1, 2, 3 touches. What we want to see is us hold this 8 EMA, right? On the weekly time frame, we hold it, use it as support, and we get some action to the upside, something like this, where we slowly go until we battle this $29 resistance zone, which is right around here. Once that happens, again, right, we got a bunch of wicks in this area and a few rejections. Eventually, we're going to come up to that point again, and then we'll see price maybe play around in this zone. And if we start to see these characteristics change like this, what that is indicating is the demand in the stock is definitely changing to the upside. So I want to pay attention to this over the next few weeks and months, because the crypto space is heating up and you can tell people are starting to get excited. So why not get in before all the FOMO, before all of that? But that's the breakdown here on Avalanche. Again, if you know anything about Avalanche, leave a comment. I'd love to discuss and educate more about it on the side. Peace.